Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Crazy weather, difficult forecast. So let's get into this. First, this morning we rose up into the 50s. We've had a few rain showers. Now we're back down into the 40s as a storm system is moving on through. And let's get this to work. There we go. Look at this setup here. I got to update the front, but 63 in Sedalia and Columbia at 10:30. We're back down to 46, 20 in Valentine, Nebraska. Luckily, the colder air is going to stay to the north with this particular front, because look at these temperatures, 5 in Bismarck. So there's still Arctic air in the country, but boy, it got blasted out of here last night. So let's go through these temperature changes. So this afternoon and evening, we may get into the 30s, probably will, and the front will be moving by, and then by evening, right around 10:30 or so, 32 degrees or so, possibly KCI. It's really going to drop. But look what happens again by morning. Here comes the warm front. And south winds will be starting up, and by 8 in the morning, we could be back up to 44 degrees, 6 in Valentine, Nebraska. And then through the day, that front approaches slowly. Yes, tomorrow afternoon, we could get up into the 60s. This model says 61, would not surprise me if we got to 65. And 8 degrees in Valentine. Then the cold front comes through on Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. And by Thursday morning, we're in the 20s. 25, and also we have to watch closely for a little bit of light freezing rain Thursday morning, a slight chance of that. If that happens, it's all it would take is 10 minutes of that. Could be a mess, so we'll watch that closely. And then during the afternoon, we get up to right around 32 degrees. The real Arctic air is going to start retreating, but we're going to be stuck in this air mass that's in the upper 20s and low 30s as a storm develops in the southwest. So Thursday is dry unless that little thing comes through in the morning. Then Friday morning is dry, but Friday afternoon and night, the main storm's out in the southwest, but it may send a piece of energy our way, and we have to watch this for some freezing rain with temperatures right at or below freezing. And again, it would not take much to cause problems on the roads when you have this situation, but maybe this would be a trace to 1/10 of an inch or so and wouldn't cause a huge issue on the trees. It'd be a Friday night, Saturday morning situation, and then it would move on. The main storm doesn't come out till Sunday or Monday. So let's go into this. What we're dealing with on Thursday is we had the cold air delivered south by the northern branch, and the southern branch has this storm system that's forming in the southwest. And as it's forming, a little piece will come out, could bring us a little frozen precipitation there on Friday afternoon or night, but then we might get a break Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and into early Sunday. But then the storm kind of drops into Mexico. The slower it is, the better it is for the Chiefs, because it would start later in the day Sunday. And here it is Sunday. The storm is somewhere in northern Mexico. We're in the southern branch, and the blue is the below 32 air. This storm is going to provide probably just liquid coming from the sky. But the question is, when it reaches the surface, is it above or below freezing? So as we zoom in here on Sunday, we are right on the line of the rain and the freezing rain. That below 32 air is right here. Our temperature's right around freezing. And also, you notice this from here southwestward. So if it's a little slower, it may just be dry and cold with temperatures in the 30s for the Chiefs game. If it's a little faster, we could then end up with some rain or freezing rain for the game. And we'll just have to see if we can get a little warmer air in here a little faster. So a lot of questions still remain, but it doesn't look like a sleet or snow situation. It's either rain or freezing rain, and then some of that heavier rain could get up here Sunday night. So temperatures should go up, but the question will be right around the Chiefs game, where is those freezing line temperatures? So pretty interesting. So hour by hour today, 3 p.m. 44, 5 p.m. 40, down to 32 or 33 at 8. But look at that. Midnight 34, 3 a.m. 38, and by 7 a.m. back to 44, cloudy, warmer. Here comes the south winds again. And on the 7-day forecast, up to 61 on Wednesday. And then as we head towards Thursday, back into the 30s. And then we got to watch this thing on Friday into Saturday. We're going to leave the chance out on Thursday morning, but again, you got to watch for a little bit of rain or freezing rain there early in the morning. And then it's really this Friday through Sunday deal, Monday deal. But you see temperatures gradually start to go up. All we need to do is get it above 32, and we won't have an ice storm, and we're going to be close. Have a great day, and we'll have more on this tomorrow.